Hello there, how are you? So welcome to this channel. I am Afreen. So are you trying to sleep more than 30 minutes or 1 hour but still your brain is on high drive? Don't worry about it, because today I'm gonna tell you technique to get in sleep easily. Also I will tell you solution of insomnia. But before beginning this video, I will tell you, if you haven't watched my video about insomnia where I told what is insomnia, the symptoms of insomnia and the reason behind insomnia, so go and watch the video after finish this video. So let's begin this video with some technique by which you can get your sleep easily. First technique is get out of your bed. Yes, if you haven't slept more than 30 minutes, then get out of your bed and go and do anything and then come back and to try again. Yes. And the number 2 is don't freak out. Yes, instead of worrying about not sleeping, it's better to enjoy that time. I mean, just relax, because there's nobody to disturb you. You are alone. There's no work pressure, there's no housework, no office works, because there's only you. So just think about something which you want to do, some place where you want to go. Do whatever gives you happiness. Spend some quality time with yourself. The number 3 is don't take afternoon nap. This is important, because if you're taking afternoon nap, that means you will not get in sleep easily at night. So don't take afternoon nap if you having problem to get in sleep at night. Next is spend some time in sunlight every day. It's important. The bestest way is read book. If you don't believe me, then recall your past memory. When we were kids, we were in school or college and we try to read, we try to study at night. What was happening that time? Remember? Got it. This is my point. If you trouble to get in sleep, then go and read book. And in fact, reading book at night is a best habit. You should have to make it your habit. Next is strange, but it's really works, which is workout and exercise. Now you might be thinking it's how it's related to get in sleep at night. It is relatable. If you're doing exercise every day, in your brain blood circulation will be increased and it helps to calm you. Next is wake up at same time each day. Reduce your stress. This is the biggest reason by which you can't get in sleep, because of stress. Stress is a huge thing nowadays. I'm gonna make a different video about how to calm down and how to decrease your stress. So wait for that video. Do meditate or concentrate any part of your body. Better if you concentrate on your mind. So guys, these are some techniques how can you get in sleep at night. I understand how difficult it is if you want to sleep at night but you can't, and morning is not refreshing and the whole day is like sleepy and lazy and you don't want to spend your next day like that. So I try to give you technique as easy as I can. So yeah, I just wanted that you try each of them, if not then some of them. Yes, this is really workful. I hope you enjoyed this video, you like this video, and I hope this video is informative for you. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram and also on my Facebook page. So yes, I will see you in my next time. Till then, take care. Bye.